Hi, Tom with Heritage Electrical. In this short video, I'm going to talk you through how we've upgraded this customer's Texecom alarm system to allow them to use the Texecom app and remotely arm and disarm their alarm system. So to be able to arm and disarm your alarm system via the Texecom app, there's a couple of steps that we need to complete before that. The first is to check what firmware your panel currently has installed on it. Now you need firmware version 4 and above to then install the necessary hardware and have it communicate with your local area network. So in this case, this particular panel is an older panel and I think it was on either firmware 2 or 3. Despite our best efforts, the panel simply wouldn't allow us to upgrade it to version 4. So we have replaced the circuit board in the panel and upgraded that to the latest Premier Elite panel, complete with the latest firmware. We were able to use the existing devices, detectors, PIRs, etc., and all the existing wiring for this. So it's almost a like-for-like swap, it's just an upgrade of the circuit board inside the panel. So this box on the right hand side with the 3 lights on, this is the Texecom Smartcom module which you purchase as an add-on. I think they're about 85 quid and they connect up to the main panel using a couple of COM port jacks. Once they're connected up, you can power the panel up, it will send power over to the Smartcom module. You can then log on to the Smartcom using a browser and point it towards a Wi-Fi connection in your house, and that is then, that provides the panel with this network connection. Once we've installed the Smartcom, we've told it which Wi-Fi connection we'd like it to use, we then need to go to the main keypad and we need to adjust some settings in there. Paul's using the Wintex software here on the PC, which is an easier and quicker way of adding new users as required, assigning them proximity tags so that they can arm and disarm the alarm system when they're actually at the property. Now, using this software and with the Smartcom installed, you can actually access an alarm system remotely and troubleshoot it if required, which has proven very useful for our larger commercial jobs to save call-out fees and having someone attend in person if a problem can be resolved remotely. Finally, with all this in place, we can now install and make use of the Texecom app, which, as I mentioned before, as well as being able to arm and disarm your alarm remotely, you receive notifications on your phone of any events, triggerings that have happened. You can also use the app to manage integration with your other smart home devices. So you can see from this footage, courtesy of the Texecom YouTube channel, you can have your camera system integrated with the Texecom app. You can also set up these things called recipes, whereby when, for example, an alarm is deactivated, you can have some smart lights come on in your home to welcome you home. So if you'd like to discuss either your existing Texecom alarm system and how you might get that online, or you'd like to consider a brand new Texecom alarm system installation, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Our contact details are on the website below.